Today, I'll show you how to create a photo collage in Instagram. First, after opening Instagram, swipe right to open an Instagram story and ensure story is selected at the bottom of the screen. Now you can either snap a picture or upload one from your camera for the background, or if you prefer, you can use a solid color for your collage. For a solid color, go to the left and tap on Create, or the two A's. To change the color, go to the top left and click to see all the available colors. Once you've chosen your color, go to the top and press the sticker button. Look for the photo option at the bottom and click on it. Select the photo you want to add and position it as you like. Then, add another by clicking the sticker button again at the top and selecting the photo button again. Start adding as many images as you want. You can keep adding photos, and you can also tap on text to type your desired text. You can change the font, color, backgrounds, and styles. Additionally, you can add other stickers by clicking the stickers button in the top right, like questions or location tags. Once you're satisfied, click on your story in the bottom left and it will be posted.